The Oppo Find X9 Pro is finally here, and it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting flagship smartphones of 2025. Oppo's Find X series has always been known for innovation, premium design, and advanced camera technology, and the Find X9 Pro takes this legacy to the next level. With a bold new design, powerful Snapdragon performance, a professional-grade camera system, ultra-fast charging, and a stunning display, this device is built to challenge the best from Samsung, Apple, and Xiaomi. In this video, we'll walk you through the full specifications, features, design, display, performance, camera system, battery life, charging technology, and expected price details of Oppo's newest flagship. The Oppo Find X9 Pro continues Oppo's tradition of sleek and futuristic design. The phone comes with a premium glass or eco-leather finish, curved edges, and a slim frame that gives it a luxurious in-hand feel. The rear camera housing has been redesigned with a bold circular module, instantly making it stand out as a flagship device. Available in elegant color options like ceramic black, ocean green, and pearl white, the Find X9 Pro looks as premium as it feels. With IP68 water and dust resistance, it is not just stylish, but also durable. On the front, Oppo packs one of the best displays in the industry. The Find X9 Pro features a 6.82-inch LTPO 2.0 AMOLED display with QHD+ resolution, HDR10+ support, and a 1:120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. This means you get a buttery-smooth scrolling experience while also saving battery when high refresh isn't needed. With peak brightness rumored to cross 3000 nits, outdoor visibility will be no issue at all. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or simply browsing, the Oppo Find X9 Pro's display delivers vivid colors, deep contrasts, and unmatched clarity. Under the hood, the Oppo Find X9 Pro is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, built on a 3nm process for superior speed, efficiency, and AI performance. Combined with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage, this smartphone is built to handle anything you throw at it, be it heavy gaming, professional video editing, or intensive multitasking. Oppo has also included a vapor cooling system to ensure smooth performance during long gaming sessions. This makes the Find X9 Pro not just a flagship for everyday use, but also a powerhouse for gamers and creators. Cameras are where Oppo's Find X series truly shines, and the Find X9 Pro takes it even further. It comes with a triple-lens Hasselblad tune setup, featuring a 50MP Sony LYT900 main sensor with OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide lens for expansive shots, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical and up to 100x digital zoom. On the front, you get a 32MP AI-enhanced selfie camera for sharp, natural-looking portraits. With Oppo's advanced AI image processing, 4K cinematic video, night photography, and Hasselblad color calibration, the Find X9 Pro promises to deliver some of the best smartphone photography and videography of 2025. The Find X9 Pro packs a 5500 mAh battery, designed to last all day even under heavy use. But where Oppo really impresses is charging. Expect 150W Super VOOC wired charging that can take your phone from 0 to 100% in just about 15 minutes. Additionally, 80W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging make it one of the most versatile charging systems available. This combination of large battery and industry-leading charging speed ensures you never have to worry about running out of power. Out of the box, the Oppo Find X9 Pro will run on Android 15 with Oppo's ColorOS 15 on top. Expect a clean UI, smoother animations, AI-driven optimizations, and enhanced privacy features. Oppo is also focusing on AI-powered photography, real-time language translation, smart multitasking, and personalized recommendations, making the user experience smarter than ever. With promised 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security patches, Oppo is showing strong commitment to long-term support. The Oppo Find X9 Pro is expected to launch globally in early 2025, starting first in China and then rolling out to international markets. Pricing is rumored to be around $1,099 to $1,199, placing it directly against the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, iPhone 17 Pro Max, Vivo X300 Pro, and Xiaomi 17 Pro. The Oppo Find X9 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most well-rounded flagship smartphones of 2025. With its premium design, stunning AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 power, Hasselblad camera system, massive battery, and ultra-fast charging, it has everything a flagship lover could ask for. Oppo has successfully combined style, speed, and photography into one package that will definitely grab attention in the global smartphone market. If you're looking for a premium Android flagship with industry-leading charging and pro-level cameras, the Oppo Find X9 Pro is definitely worth considering in 2025.